Hi, this is BrikStroo. Today we have the LEGO Technic Volvo EC500 Hybrid for review. This is the new Volvo EC500 Hybrid excavator, large, detailed. This is an official model from Volvo. It has realistic proportions, stickers and a cab platform like in a real hybrid excavator. This LEGO excavator model includes an engine and gearbox with 4 functions, including a movable boom, crane and interchangeable hammer and bucket tools. The set consists of 2,359 parts, over 29 centimeters for towers, 54 centimeters for lengths and 24 centimeters for ears. This set includes a digital version of the building instructions included in the LEGO construction set. This set will be a great gift for fans of construction equipment, suitable for both play and shelf. LEGO Technic 42215 is a combination of learning and playing. Want more reviews like this? Thumbs up!